Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a minute since I have posted to YouTube. Actually, it's been a few years. But as you can tell by the title, I am starting over with prepping. I have kind of gotten away from prepping. But first, if you are new here or if you simply don't remember me, my name is Ty. And I make videos about prepping from the perspective of someone who lives in an apartment. I'm a lifelong renter. I don't see that changing anytime soon. So basically, I have limited space and I show how I store my preps. Now, I have gotten, like I said, I've gotten out of prepping for a number of reasons. I believe my last video was in 2021, and in that video I remember being excited because we were moving and my new apartment had a pantry, and so we did make that move. I did love the pantry while we were there, but I hated the apartment. So we have since moved again. But when we made the move to the new apartment, because we weren't moving directly from one apartment to this apartment, we actually wound up staying with family for about a month. I actually wound up giving away a lot of my preps during that time simply because I didn't want to drag that stuff to someone else's house. So I am basically starting from scratch when it comes to prepping. Excuse me. In addition to that, one of the things that also happened back in 2022 is I actually wound up losing my job. And I was unemployed for about 10 months. And during that 10 months, I was not concerned. I did not concern myself at all with prepping. So I wasn't buying anything. I just didn't have the extra income to do that. And then I wound up getting a job in late summer 2023. And my job pays dust. It pays dust. But I don't want to leave my job because I genuinely love my company. So what I have done in the last month is I actually took on a part-time job. So to kind of supplement my income. But yes, I'm trying to stick it out with my new company, with my current company, because I do like my company. But I feel like if I don't find something else within the company by probably August, I probably will have to find a new job. So, because it really does not pay well at all. So anyway, that is kind of what has been going on, and that's kind of why I got out of prepping in general. Now, when I prep with my mom, my niece, and her husband in mind. And my niece and her husband are actually expecting their first child within the next month. So I am adding a newborn to that list. And it's a girl. So I'm adding her to the list of people I keep in mind when I prep. So I do have a video. I do plan on doing a to-go bag for her. And I will record that video when it comes closer to her due date. In addition to that, in addition to videos, kind of showing the stuff that I buy for her, I will be doing some grocery hauls. I will be doing some storage, small space storage videos and how I store things in this apartment. In addition to that, like I said, I'll be doing some grocery hauls. I have already recorded one very short, a small grocery haul that I will upload probably tomorrow. And so yeah, I'll be doing the grocery hauls. I'll be doing the space storage hauls. In addition to that, I do have to-go bags. I gave my niece and her husband a to-go bag. My mom has a to-go bag, and like I said, I'll be giving the baby one. So I will do videos on that. I probably need to swap out some things in those bags as well. I also will be showing you my medical supplies. I need to swap out some of that stuff. And I want to learn some new skills surrounding preppings. One of the skills I want to learn is like canning. I want to learn sewing. I also want to improve upon my gardening skills. I did some community gardening a few years ago, but I kind of don't do that anymore either. So anyway, that's what I have in store for this channel. One of the next videos I will be making, like I said, I have a haul video, but I also have a shower gift that I gave to my niece of like medical items for the baby, and I did record that, and I'm going to upload that within the next week or two as well. So anyway, that is it for this video. If you are a new prepper, if you're an apartment prepper, or if you're an old school prepper, click subscribe and we can go on this journey together. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.